Have you ever wondered what the factories of our cells might look like? In the intricate world of biology, these factories exist as ribosomes. Ribosomes, though small, play an enormous role in our bodies, working tirelessly to build the proteins that keep us alive and functioning. Imagine a bustling city. The ribosomes would be the industrious factories, tirelessly producing goods needed for the city to function. They're not just any factories, though, they're protein factories. They read the blueprints, provided by the RNA, and assemble the amino acids in the correct order to form proteins. This process is known as protein synthesis. So, what makes up these microscopic factories? Each ribosome is composed of two distinct subunits, aptly named the large and small subunit. These subunits are made up of proteins and ribosomal RNA, or rRNA. The large subunit acts like a binding site where the components of the protein come together, while the small subunit reads the RNA to ensure the correct sequence of amino acids. The ribosomes can be found floating freely within the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, a network of membranous tubules within the cytoplasm of a eukaryotic cell, which gives them the name bound ribosomes. The proteins produced by free ribosomes are used within the cell, while those produced by bound ribosomes are used either in the cell membrane or exported out of the cell. It's fascinating to think about the sheer number of ribosomes within a single cell. A human cell can contain up to 10 million ribosomes, all working in harmony to produce the necessary proteins. In summary, ribosomes are the protein factories within our cells. They are composed of two subunits, each with its own role in protein synthesis. They can be found either freely within the cytoplasm or bound to the endoplasmic reticulum, and the location determines the fate of the proteins they produce. Despite their small size, they are vital to our survival. Without them, we wouldn't have the proteins that our bodies need to function. So, the next time you ponder the intricacies of life, spare a thought for the humble ribosome, the unsung hero of cellular biology, tirelessly working to keep you alive and functioning.